at our shop and you said that to him, I was on the ground in tears. And he was so mad at us for it, but man, it was funny as shit.
These was like when I bought the home.
Urban?
Yeah.
And it comes, and when you buy the kit, it comes with 2 anodes.
Okay.
Well, the problem is, you can only use a suburban anode and a suburban tank. Well, I have a spare Atwood. So I was like, well, I got neighbors with a bunch of RVs. I'll see if any of them want it. Guess what? I got 5 neighbors with RVs. Every single one of them. Did you put it on backwards?
I'm not gonna admit to it, but yes. Well, if I get it up a ½ inch, I can spin it.
Yeah. Noah! What are you doing? Stop listening to me talking focus. Is my voice that beautiful?
Well, you know.
Well, thank you. I do appreciate it. Thank you. Make me feel good.
No, we have to keep from doing that.
Well, you have that hydraulic splitter, dude, Hickey?
I do, but I think it'll be too long. Hey, let's try it.
Oh, you know what we do?
What?
My vise might be wide enough. I have a bottle jack.
What?
Yeah.
Hey there YouTube. So today, as you see, I put the bracket on backwards for the crane, not by this moment. But anyway, so right now we're using the hydraulic press that I have, trying to get it off. It wasn't really working. As you see, I was getting on that quite a bit, and it wasn't moving. So we decided to put it up in Dope's vise, and then we were gonna drive the shaft down, which in 10 is gonna move it how we need it to. Once we had it set up on the side, we had a little trouble with the vise wanting to move on us, since we were going horizontally with it. As you see in a minute, we put it so we flip it 90 degrees. So then we work with gravity also against it. So then we eventually get it up. It was only about a ½ inch that we had to get it up before we could spin it and get it back going again.
There you go. Keep going. Alright, we're good.
Good? Awesome.
Dope saved the day.
A little bit of derba-doing. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of derba-doing, and it can be figured out.
See, Dove helped me. He fixed my frig up today.
No, it's okay. He gets to help me with a frig up. It's alright. You owe me now. I will call you. Hey, remember that you owe me? Yeah, well, I need more crack. Be careful who you owe things to.
Exactly.
Hey, go back together.
I'm terrible about just setting I like just setting the camera up and letting things go.
Yeah.
But then I always have to speed it up because nobody want to watch me for 2 hours.
Yeah, well, that's what I do.
Yeah.
I started doing on mine. I speed up all mine. I
Yeah.
kind of cut through the crap, and only have audio for the important parts.
Yeah.
Kind of like, Jody did that with a lot of his
Yeah.
videos. And I
And then I was like, alright, that's fine. It works. I think it's the one. Yeah, my problem is, I need to get a better microphone or something. Because whenever I talk, I sound like I'm dreading doing this. Does that make sense? I'm not. I'm trying to be exciting just to make it sound good. You gotta scream before you're like, ah! I'm not like this. I like this. Alright, take monster. It makes me sound like I dread doing it. I don't think Jody's original video, like the first year. Yeah. Hi, this is Jody. Today we're going to... Somebody in the comments on one of his old videos, like, listen to this at 0.75 speed. You wanna just laugh. It's like, thank you for watching another welding tips and tricks.com video. Today, we're going to be MIG welding from steel. That's G-M-A-W. I was on the floor rolling around. It was so damn funny. I was just jocking, man. It was hilarious.
surgery. Very precision. Poor tailgate of this truck.
So yes, precision whacking. So I sped this up quite a bit. The rest of this video is kind of just us putting that back together, BSing. I mean, nothing too exciting. I didn't really think y'all wanted to watch an hour and a half video of us just talking and kind of sort of walking. But yeah, we're just going around doing that. Got the one bearing back on the winch assembly. In a minute I'm going to be dragging out the actual arm so I can finish putting that together. Unfortunately, my battery in my camera is only about 2-hour battery. I think when I started it, I only had about an hour and a half left on it, so I didn't get to film all of the assembly of this, unfortunately, but I did make a video after this that I'm going to put on with this, with me putting the spool on, just kind of an overview of everything, but that's basically where we're at right now. I'm just putting the side bearings on the boom. So there's the bearings on the boom, 2 bearings on the boom, and then a bearing on the one side of the winch and on the opposite side of the winch. We're just going through and getting that all assembled and bolting them all in. Nothing too exciting, to be honest with you, but that's just us putting it together. Joel came out to help give me a hand on it, and that's my younger brother up there on top of the toolbox. He just came out to pretty much just BS with us, that's all. But yeah, so that's all that I'm up to. I do want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. I got more content on the way, so stay tuned.
I don't think pig cook was this.
Unless there's not. There's,
The market's oversaturated.
so I think you better do new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. I just don't.